In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Outlook, an essential tweak you can make to personalize your workspace and improve your user experience. Now, let's dive into this simple process that will take just a few minutes of your time. We will go through each step together, so you'll easily be able to adjust your Outlook theme to your liking before you know it. First things first, we need to access Outlook. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to the Outlook login page. This is where you will begin your journey to a more visually appealing email client. Once you've arrived at the page, you'll want to proceed by clicking on the Sign In option. This will allow you to access your personal account where you can make the desired customizations. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the primary email interface. Here, you receive and manage your emails. To start customizing, go to the top right corner of your page. You'll see a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on this icon. Settings in Outlook is where all your customization options are housed, so it's a crucial step in this process. Once the settings menu is open, locate the General tab, which often appears near the top of the menu. By selecting General, you're given access to a variety of customizable settings that can improve how you interact with Outlook. Within the General section, you should find an option labelled Appearance. Click on this as it's the pathway to accessing the themes you can apply. The appearance settings are particularly interesting because they can transform the look of your entire Outlook experience. As you navigate to the next option that says Themes, you're getting closer to the point where you can see all the potential looks you might select for your Outlook. Choosing a theme that suits your personal taste or mood can make checking your emails more pleasant and fun. You'll likely find a range of options from minimalistic designs to more vibrant and expressive looks. Selecting the right theme can depend on the time of year, your personal style, or simply the mood you're in. Once you've found a theme you'd like to try, just go ahead and select it by clicking on the theme of your choice. Doing this applies a visual overhaul to Outlook, changing the color schemes and tones to match the chosen design. It's always a good idea to experiment with different themes until you find one that feels just right. Finally, after deciding on your desired theme, remember to save your selection. This step is crucial because without saving, any changes you make will be lost as soon as you leave the theme menu. Look for the Save button on the screen, usually near the bottom or side of the theme options. Click Save, and your new theme will be applied across Outlook, creating a refreshed visual experience every time you access your email. Don't underestimate the impact a theme can have. It can make your daily email checks feel a little more personalized and a lot more pleasant. And there you have it. Within just a few minutes, you've learned how to change the theme in Outlook, adding a personal touch to your email dashboard. Feel free to revisit these settings at any time to freshen things up or adjust according to your changing preferences. Personalizing your Outlook not only makes the interface more enjoyable to use, but can also inspire creativity and boost productivity. Thanks for following along, and I hope you enjoy your newly themed Outlook.